Now this is the way I make my coconut rice. I'm going to use half of this coconut. I will use the milk from it. I will use 1 cup of rice, some dry thyme leaves, some chopped scallion or green onions. I'm going to use half of this onion, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, about 1 inch of ginger. I'm going to use red chilies, and I'm going to use some adobo, and I will add some kale to it. And this I will be cooking in my rice cooker. Now this coconut water, I'm going to strain it, and I will put it in an ice tray and freeze it to make pina colada. I'm going to take the flesh of this coconut and blend it to get my coconut milk for my coconut rice. It's pretty easy. I just need 2 cups of milk. Now I'm going to make my coconut rice in this rice cooker. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil, and I'm just going to wait for the oil to get hot. So my oil is hot. I'm going to add my onion, half of an onion. I need it. I'm just going to cover it. Now the onion is a little translucent, so I'm going to add the pepper, 1 green chili pepper, 3 cloves of garlic, and about 1 inch of ginger. And I'll give this a stir. I'm also going to add 2 bay leaves, 1 star anise, 2 red chilies, and a teaspoon of cumin. Just the cumin seeds, not the ground cumin, the whole cumin. Also, I'm going to add a handful of dry crushed thyme leaves. Going to give it a stir. I'm just going to cover this and let it fry for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to add my 1 cup of rice. I'm using parboiled rice. You can use any rice if you want to try this recipe. This is not your traditional coconut rice. This is my way of making my coconut rice. So I'll give it a stir, mix everything in. I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of Goya adobo in the place of the salt. Give this a stir. And I'm going to now add 2 cups of coconut water. give it a stir. And I'll cover the pot and let it cook until the rice is done. Now I'm also going to add some scallion or green onions. And a handful of kale. A little bit more than a handful. Cover it. Let it cook. This is the rice cooking. Now the rice cooker came off, and I'm going to let the rice sit for 10 minutes in the cooker so that it can continue to cook, and then I'll fluff it up and I'll show you the end result. Okay, so to season my fish, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon paprika, half a teaspoon of black pepper, some dried crushed thyme leaves, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and I'm going to add some red chilies that I have ground up myself, a quarter teaspoon because it's very hot, of red chilies. I'm going to add a quarter teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add some cornstarch. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. My hands have been washed, and I'm going to go ahead now and mix this up. And I'll put this aside to marinate for about 30 minutes before I fry it. I have some oil in the skillet. I'm just going to go ahead and fry my fish now. Now the cocoa rice has been sitting for at least 10 minutes. I'm going to just go ahead and fluff it up. Wow, this is amazing. Now it's time to taste my coconut rice. Wow, this is so nice. Just the right amount of salt. You could taste the flavor of the cumin, the coconut, and the fish. Wow, this is so nice. Crunchy and very tasty.